I just recently added over 15 million Shiba. Why did I do that? I looked at the price and I noticed Shiba is going down in price and value. And that's one. Two, this is my small account and I want to grow it to at least 100 million Shiba and then start working on Bone. But I want to get the dip, not financial advice. I'm not necessarily giving financial advice, but I'm focusing on accumulating. Your captain is speaking. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Now, how did I do this? What I did was I went over to swap, and I just swapped my Ethereum for Shiba. So let me go to Shiba. I go here, and this is what I did. It's all I did. I just had some Ethereum in my Wallet Connect account. I'll even show you that to you in 2 minutes or 2 seconds. So what I did was, in here, this Ethereum there, I took some of my Ethereum, which is right there, and my Wallet Connect account is through my Trust Wallet, and I just added in there just like that. Swapped it, and I did swap, and I confirmed the swap, and that was it. That's how I added it in there step by step. I just made sure I had Ethereum to swap Ethereum for Shiba. That's what I did. And then what I did now, I wait for the pending transaction to go through, and I went here, and that's where it is right as we speak. Let me go ahead and refresh this right here. And so, yeah, so basically I noticed, okay, Shiba's been up a little bit the last couple of days. We finally had a red day. To me, red days are good days because it's a way of accumulating more when things are down. When things are down, absolutely, I'm in service, Captain in you right now. And so, and this is not financial advice whatsoever. I'm just telling what I'm doing. So if I go back to my Wallet Connect account, and this is it right here. So then now I've got some decisions to make. Do I bury this? Do I dig this? Do I just leave it alone? Well, my goal is to continue burying as much as possible on this account. So 100% absolutely, I'm going to bury all of this, stake this, and I'm going to use this in the future. This is something that I'm willing to wait for quite some time because I don't know if I got the screen back up. I had the screen up, but I was going to show you exactly, you know, the fact of how many bones I plan to have by the end of the year, and I'll have a video over that in the next video. So let me go ahead and make sure this is set up. Wallet Connect. Okay, so now it's saying, do I need to approve this transaction? Do I need to approve this transaction? Just to let you know, and I'll show you on this as well. Do I need to approve this? And I'm going to approve the $9. I'm going to approve the $9 for staking this as well. So right now, there's a pending transaction going through. I bought 15 million Shiba, and then I swapped Ethereum for Shiba using my Wallet Connect account. And by the way, if you can clear your transactions here by clicking on clear transaction, it doesn't necessarily cancel them. It just clear the pending. That's what it does. So that's what it does. Let me go ahead and close this. And that's what it does. But, and then now I'm taking the 15 million SHIB and I'm going to bury the SHIB because I want to have 50 million buried Shiba. Remember, I started this account with only 3 million Shiba. And you can do it too. You can do this. If you only have 10 million Shiba, 20 million Shiba, 40 million Shiba, you can grow your account. What I did with that $100, I actually just sacrificed. I sacrificed. So I've been saving a little bit on the side through the last week or so. And I'm like, I'm going to use this to buy Shiba. So that's what I did. I ended up saving $100 through other different things. Prime example, not going out to eat as much, things like that. And so instead of paying for that $20 meal or $30 meal, that meal was only $5. So anyway, we'll get into that in another video. But I'm looking at long term because if I'm thinking about the next 6 months, that's where I'm really looking to take some advantages in terms of this whole woofable process. This whole woofable process, it's not that much on this account now, but if I continue adding, I can take advantage of when things are going to be really woofed, because I'll add more bones to my position here. So that pending transaction should go through here momentarily. And look, let me look one more time. Oh, look at this going down a little bit. It's going down a little bit, but honestly, it's not going as low as I thought it was going to go as well. So that's what it's going to do. I bought that. Now I'm burying those bones. And so you guys look at your position, look at your portfolio, make some move that's best for you, not financial advice. You don't necessarily have to do what everybody's telling you to do, because everybody's plans are different. So I can't sit there and say, you need to bury your bones. Well, your plans may not necessarily be burying your bones. Your plans could literally be cashing out those bones. You see? That's why you can't really give financial advice, because one reason, you got to make sure you're licensed to do it. And two, everybody's plans are differently. And so everybody, okay, I have 100 million Shiba. I may want to bury all of those, or I may want to cash out of those once Shiba gets to a certain price. Shiba takes one of these zeros down, you may want to sell at that particular time. So think about that. Make the best decision for yourself. 15 million Shiba is in the house. Captain Shelton in you, at your service. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Yes, I'll be adding more to my position as this continues to move forward. And yes, just like that, 50 million Shiba has just been buried on my account, and we've got 50 more to do to hit our goal. I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to click on the link below to get started with the Shibaswap, or to get started with other fun things that's down there in the description box. You don't want to miss that at all. I'll see you later.